one of the most popular buds in India so far and somewhat popular in USA. This is Realme Buds Air 7, just came now. Price is almost $40 or almost 3,700. Realme inside 52 dB of active noise cancellation, 52 hours of playback. Let's just unbox this thing. We get a box inside a box. Ooh. So these are the buds. Manual, I guess, and some extra buds. Nope, I can't take it out. But yeah, it's like that. Extra tips. Okay, so there are 3 sizes of the earplug. First is small, medium, large. Depends on your ear. Okay, let's come to the main product. This is Realme Buds Air 7. So there's a hole here, so we can push. So you just need to push like this and they will come out. Again, it's so satisfying. These are Realme Buds. It's green, means let's just check the manual first. What we have to keep in mind: pairing tips and etc. This is the touch sensitive area. Okay, so the battery indicator says the green light stays for 3 seconds if it's more than 20%, and red light if it's less than 20%. This is the touch sensitive area we were talking about. This the build looks solid. Okay, so let's talk about connectivity. Let's try to connect with my iPad. So if you are seeing a button, there's a button here, somewhere here. So you need to click this for 3 seconds. Let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so now it's in pairing mode. Here says Realme Buds 7. Let's just click on that and it's connected. So yep, so this is the app of the Buds. Now I have already connected this thing to my iPad. I mean to the app. So now there are 3 modes. First is off, noise cancellation and transparency mode. You can also click on this thing. I mean there are multiple settings you can do from their app. There's also gaming mode, that means decrease the latency, so you could play much and far better. Okay, so there are also button settings, so you can change the tap, means play and pause. Triple tap means next track. After that there is touch and hold. Transparency means even if you are wearing headphones, you will be able to hear outside noise. Okay, so it's been almost a month and now I have a lot of things to talk about. First is audio quality. The audio quality is medium, like it's good, not very good. The bass is insane, but the treble is not that great. So before this I have used these things. They are known as IEMs, and IEMs are one of the greatest competitor of any wireless headphones. There's also accessory where you can make IEMs into Bluetooth thing. So yep, this thing are crazy. This is way cheaper, almost costed me only $10. First is when I tried the game mode, it's useless. And even if you talk about durability after 1 month, amount of scratches, you can see there's a long scratch here. And one of the greatest thing is the magnets. The magnets are insanely strong. Just look. I mean, you can't even feel that. The inner feeling of you tells you it's not gonna fall, and it will not fall. The magnets are so strong, like, you know, just have a look at the sound once. Do you hear this? Like, even if I did something like this. Let's talk about conclusion. Should you buy it or skip it? If you are an audiophile who loves to vibe on songs, I will not recommend this thing. Instead of this, you could go with Apple AirPods or Samsung things. So Samsung are way good than this. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.